My first experience with Holy Cross Hospital was about 9 years ago. My husband, Angel Burgos, had a life-threatening intestinal issue with his appendix, and we ended up at Holy Cross. And I'll be honest, I was concerned with the name Holy, how we would be viewed as an LGBTQ couple going into that hospital, and I can tell you with certainty, after he was there for a full 2 weeks, we were treated as family. I came away from it having experienced Holy Cross at that level of care and concern, knowing that I would never go to another healthcare provider while I'm in South Florida.
I've been a social worker for 22 years now. I've had several clients who have gone to Holy Cross for medical issues, and I've seen the great work that it does. And then during COVID, I became a patient of Holy Cross myself. I had a stroke, and I was taken there by ambulance. I was there for 5 days, and I left there walking happy, and I survived. And I thank Holy Cross for that. When you are in crisis, you need to feel like you're going to be taken care of. You're going to be respected. You're going to be treated with dignity. And I found that Holy Cross exemplified all those traits, great traits.
Holy Cross has been taking care of my medical needs for the past 3 years. Approximately 10 months ago, I was just trying to get some blood work done, an annual physical. During that process, my brand new doctor stumbles across some information where my cortisol levels are higher than normal. And what that meant was I had actually been showing up as having some precursors for a tumor, ultimately finding out that I was diagnosed with a brain tumor. Dr. Fox was not only reassuring, but he was also very affirming of the care that would be provided to me within the Holy Cross family. Having him be able to reassure me that there would be ways and means that he would work with both myself as well as my fiance, David, it just helped me know that we were in the right place, where people could see us as who we are. Holy Cross has made it their mission to know us better in order to treat us better.
I think what makes Holy Cross special is that they show up, right? I mean, at every Pride event, at every LGBTQ event I can think of, there's a Holy Cross representative there.
Everywhere you go, you see Holy Cross. I mean, they make themselves accessible. They are part of the family. That's a good way of putting it, I think.
Knowing that I can see them in our community and actually being present at functions, at galas, at networking events, but just to see them there in that space, it helps me feel good about the choice that I made as to who my medical provider is.
I think as LGBTQ folks, it's essential that we have culturally competent doctors and healthcare professionals, and I found that at every level of Holy Cross.
They are most deserving of this award. All I can say is kudos, 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 and more kudos to Holy Cross and its wonderful staff.